Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to easily change the screen size on your Samsung S25. To change screen size, go to the settings, of course, then go to display. Now scroll down until you find the screen zoom. Now all you need to do is change the screen zoom. You can set it to a lower value. Now now all the elements will be smaller, which results in more elements fitting on the screen. Or you can set it to a higher value, so the elements will be bigger, but less elements will fit at the same time, and you may need to scroll more oftenly. And that's about it for this video. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.